Your LG TV is technically on, but it's not exactly being helpful. The power light works, you may hear audio, but the screen is black like it decided to take a personal day. At this point, most people start pressing every button on the remote and hoping for a miracle. But before you do that, there are a few simple reset methods that can often bring the TV back to life. In this video, I'll walk you through them step by step. If helpful tech videos save you time and frustration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. First, let's try a simple power reset because this can fix temporary system glitches that may be causing the black screen. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet and leave it disconnected for at least 60 seconds. Do not rush this step because it gives the TV enough time to fully shut down. After waiting, plug the TV directly back into the wall outlet and turn it on. If the picture comes back, you're all set. If not, move on to the next step. Now perform a flashlight test. Turn the TV on and shine a flashlight close to the screen at an angle. Look carefully for a faint image, menu text, or movement on the display. If you can see a dim picture, the TV may have a backlight problem, and resetting the TV is unlikely to fix it. If you do not see any image, continue with the next troubleshooting step. Quick note, I've added links to some of the TV tools and accessories I recommend in the description below. Some of these may be affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Next, disconnect all HDMI devices connected to the TV. This includes streaming sticks, cable boxes, gaming consoles, sound bars, and any other external devices. Leave only the TV power cable connected. Sometimes an HDMI device can cause display or startup problems. Once everything is disconnected, restart the TV and check if the screen comes back. If it does, reconnect your devices one at a time to identify the one causing the issue. If the screen is still black, locate the physical power button on your LG TV. Depending on the model, it may be under the LG logo, on the side, or on the back of the TV. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding it and watch for any sign that the TV is restarting. If the picture returns, you're done. If not, continue to the next step. Now, perform a full power drain, sometimes called a cold boot. Unplug the TV completely, then press and hold the physical power button for about 30 seconds. After that, leave the TV unplugged for around 10 minutes before reconnecting it to power. This helps remove any remaining electrical charge that may be preventing the TV from starting correctly. Once the waiting period is over, plug the TV back in and turn it on. If the issue remains, try one advanced reset method. Press and hold the power button together with the volume down button on the TV while plugging it back into power. Keep both buttons pressed for about 10 to 15 seconds, then release them and check if the TV shows any response. Finally, if you previously connected your TV to the LG ThinQ app and the TV is still connected to Wi-Fi, try controlling it through the app. Open LG ThinQ on your phone and connect to the TV. If the TV responds, you may be able to access settings and perform a reset through the app even without using the physical remote. If none of these fixes work and the flashlight test shows no image, the problem is likely a hardware failure such as the backlight, power board, main board, or display panel, and professional repair may be needed. Thanks for watching. I hope one of these quick troubleshooting steps gets your LG TV working again. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your results in the comments. If you're still having trouble, leave your TV model number below and I'll do my best to help. See you in the next video.